What's going on, guys? Out of your Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how to buy crypto on the Webull app in 2021 for beginners. Okay, so I recently started using Webull, and I got to say that it is pretty cool, mainly because it's like a zero commission trading app. So it is similar to Robinhood in a few different ways. But, the layout for using it is pretty straightforward. It's very user-friendly, and they added the crypto option not too long ago. Now you have 4 different cryptocurrencies that you can trade on here, so you don't have a lot of options. You've got, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Now, right now, I'm going to pull up Ethereum and just kind of go over some of the basic features for buying and selling crypto on here. Also, if you guys want to get started on Webull, there's a really good sign-up bonus that I'll leave in both the description and comments of this video. Now, when you're looking at different cryptos, they allow you to pull up, different charts based on, the 1 minute to the 30 minutes. You can also pull up the daily, the hourly. You can change the candlesticks, the charting to candlesticks, line graphs, and it's pretty cool. So, as far as like the charting goes for what you're able to do on the app, it's pretty analytical if you're into that kind of thing. Another cool thing that they have on Webull that I really haven't seen on a whole lot of different crypto trading apps other than eToro Crypto is that they have a comment section for the different cryptos on here. So there's a bunch of comments under Ethereum right now. People are like, oh, Ethereum's going to break out. You can like different posts. You can actually make friends with people on here, I believe, talk to different people, and it's pretty cool. So there's kind of like a social aspect to trading crypto on Webull, and I do like that. The only downside I would say, though, is you are kind of limited here to the coins that you can buy. They do have a list of other cryptos, but this is kind of just like, a watch list type thing. You can't actually buy these other coins. But, for what they have right now, I think it is pretty cool. And how this compares, honestly, to, Robinhood, because obviously Robinhood I use a lot. I've got a lot of money in Robinhood right now. The crypto on here, they have a few more options. It's also going to be zero commissions, for the trading on here for buying and selling. And right now I actually own Ethereum, and I have literally like 35,000 in Robinhood, honestly. So I'm hoping Ethereum goes up quite a bit in both the near and long term. But I do also want to pull up Webull on the desktop so you can kind of see what it looks like here as well. So let's check that out. All right, so now I've got my Webull account pulled up on desktop. And, the thing that I do like about the Webull app is that it's not just an app. You can also trade on, your computer, laptop, and I think that's important. So I'm just going to kind of go over, the layout for it. But once again, I just pulled up Ethereum real quick. You can pull up some of the basic charting when you're looking at the market, but when you actually go to the trade option, you can start making trades as well when you're on your computer, which is pretty powerful. It also lets you, pull up your balance and, if you're buying crypto or stocks, which I think is important because a lot of like apps out there, trading apps, specifically for crypto, are sometimes just apps. They don't have like the desktop, available. But anyways, you can do the same things on here. You can pull up, the different charting based on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, etc., the 1 week, the 1 month, the 1 year, and then you can pull up some of the different, line graphs, or you could do candlesticks. And it actually looks a little bit better for, pulling up some of those different, charts when you're on an actual computer. But, bottom line, guys, Webull, I'm going to be doing some more with it. I plan on putting a good amount of money into this. And it's zero commission trading for the crypto. So if you guys do want to get started here, like I said, I'll throw some bonus and resource links in the description and comments. Feel free to message me below if you have any questions about Webull. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.